Hi, I'm Julia with Blackbird & Company. It's unboxing day. Congratulations, you've received your 6th grade level collection. Each box has been carefully hand-packed to ensure that all items arrive to you undamaged. This means that the materials are not packed in any particular order. So let's open and organize the contents together. This box contains everything you need for a fun and successful 6th grade language arts experience. Let's see what's inside. First, we have a 6th grade unboxing list. Lots of awesome books. A sentence a day. Poetry books and other materials. More novels. Research People books. Operation Lexicon. A Teacher Helps. Literature Discovery Guides. Thinking in Threes. An essay unit. One true sentence. Research guides. Poetry material. And more wonderful books. Now that we've opened and organized the contents, what now? Great place to start is with the unboxing handout. It's important to read this thin handout because it gives you lots of guidance and strategies to get started. Blackbird & Company's curriculum is a really unique program designed to develop and encourage your students' reading, writing, and thinking skills. There are 7 components that make up your 6th grade materials: literature and writing bundles, tools of style book 2, Operation Lexicon, Madeline Langle, Sentence a Day, Research People, Introduction to the Essay, and Exploring Poetry. The core component is the Literature and Writing Discovery Guides. You will find 6 of these student journals paired with 6 wonderful novels. You will also find a Teacher Helps, which covers levels 1 through 3. It is important to read this guide as it will help you understand what is expected of your child along the way. It's also a good idea to read through the front matter of one of the student journals and flip through to get a lay of the land. You only have to do this once, as they're all very similar. Your 6th grade collection includes The Westing Game, The Liberation of Gabriel King, Pictures of Hollis Woods, The Captain's Dog, The Thief Lord, and The Wanderer. Sentences are simply a collection of words that convey an idea. When well-crafted sentences are connected wisely one after another, that idea grows deeper and wider. But without the basic tools of construction, grammar, punctuation, and style, meaning and communication are lost. This is where One True Sentence comes in. Instructions can be found in the first few pages of the guide. Your 6th grade One True Sentence is Tools of Style, Book 2. Operation Lexicon is vocabulary development. Using words in an original way will help young wordsmiths delight in the beauty of language. Your 6th grade Operation Lexicon celebrates the wonderful author Madeline Langle. Next is a Sentence a Day. It has short, playful proofreading exercises to help students avoid tripping up when they write. In 5 short weeks, your student will learn about a significant person in history, culminating in the creation of a biographical essay. Start by reading the How to Use This Guide section in the beginning of the student guide. Your 6th grade research will focus on Jacques Cousteau, Mohandas Gandhi, Katherine Johnson, and Neil Armstrong. Each guide comes with 2 corresponding books. The 6th grade collection also includes Intro to Composition, the Essay, Volume 1. This volume introduces students to essay form and stylistic techniques, and it's paired with Thinking in Threes. In our Introduction to Poetry unit, students will learn common techniques used by poets. They will read excellent poetry and practice writing their own. This unit includes a student guide, 3 books, and inspirational picture cards. Remember that there are dive deeper resources in your unboxing handout as well as on our website under our parent-teacher dropdown. Contact us anytime you need fine-tuning. We're always here to help. It's been so fun unboxing the 6th grade language arts collection with you. Remember, you can do this and you're the hero.